Us on an exclusive behind-the-scenes visit to the making of the Rainforest concert. Elton John, Billy Joel, and Sting run through a number under the watchful eye of Trudy Styler, Sting's wife, the co-founder of the Rainforest Foundation, and no-nonsense stage manager.
If I loved you, words wouldn't come in an easy way.
Okay, we've got to get back to work. Thank you.
In circles I go. You're asking me who my love grow.
Herbie Hancock and Joe Cocker are among the guest performers at the 9th annual concert. They've raised $9 million since 1989 to help indigenous peoples save the rainforests they live in. The green cause was reflected on the Empire State Building, and stars sprouted like dense foliage.
I think by putting people slightly out of their natural environment, everybody has to do something slightly different to what they're comfortable doing.
It's fun to work with other musicians that you admire, and the cause is a good one.
It's an event that once you've done it, you want to do it every year.
It's great to be here. You know, it has a huge magnetic attraction, this event.
In 1994, the late Tammy Wynette participated in this Rainforest benefit concert. This year, her passing will be noted by Elton John and Emmylou Harris.
I put my hand up and said, I'll do Stand By Your Man, which I knew she would have loved, because she would have giggled at that.
Sometimes it's hard to be a woman.
It was hard not to tap your feet to the Beatles songs, which filled the program and brought out, among others, Roberta Flack and Madonna.
Here come old flat top bear, grooving up slowly. He got juju eyeball, he got oh little roller. I guess that's why they call it the blues. Time out my hair, goofy time spent with you. Why do I feel at the end of the day? Why you sad, 'cause you're wrong. I don't get sad, I get bored and I just keep trying, well,
Mark Shearer, CNN Entertainment News, New York.
A federal judge has again on Lawrence City, and for all of us here at Showbiz Today, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again at tee-off time. So long for now.
shake it up, baby, twist and shout, twist and shout. Come on, come on, come on, baby.